Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into navigating the user interface of Zoho Project, the 2025 edition. To kick things off, let's start by signing in. Head over to the Zoho Project website, enter your login details, and hit Sign In. Logging in gets you to the heart of Zoho Project, where all your project management tasks will take place. Now that you're in, you'll be greeted by the dashboard. This is your control center. It gives you an overview of all your projects and tasks at a glance. The reason we start here is because it's the central hub from where you can access all other features. Next up, let's explore the left side panel. This panel is your shortcut to features like tasks, issues, timesheets, and reports. It's designed to be your quick navigation tool, allowing you to jump to different sections with ease. Let me explain why this matters. Zoho Project is a comprehensive tool, and the left side panel helps you quickly find what you need, saving you precious time. Moving on to the top right corner, you'll find your profile and settings. Here, you can manage your account, adjust your settings, and log out. This helps us because it centralizes all personal and system-wide settings in one easy-to-access location. Finally, let's look at the main workspace. This area changes depending on what you've selected from the left side panel. So if you click on Tasks, the workspace will display your tasks. The beauty of this design is it allows you to focus on one thing at a time, eliminating distractions. And there you have it. That's your quick guide to navigating the Zoho Project interface. Remember, the key is to familiarize yourself with the main areas: the dashboard, the left side panel, your profile and settings, and the main workspace. Once you've got these down, you'll be a Zoho Project Pro in no time. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.